I'm not a chatter, I'm a builder, you know.
We've been building a massive indoor skate park, ultimately for the skate community, really. But creating, I guess, a hub or a space where people from all different walks of life, no matter who they are, no matter where they're from, can come together and can kind of connect around the art of skating.
I am the builder of the operation, but yeah, we're building a wicked skate park, pioneering and doing some cool features that aren't around the place or are different. Well, I've had the chat with Cam for a long time now. I think I was first in there maybe 2 years ago, shooting around ideas of having little features in here and stuff, because he had the space and he wanted to get something going earlier on, but it wasn't until maybe a year ago that Simon from Young Guns Skate School got on board and he put through a plan of something a bit more substantial than what we were first kicking around, and yeah, we've built something really cool.
Placemakers have been going on a journey with us for quite a wee while now. A guy named Will came on board and him and I have been talking, and yeah, the vision kind of got shared, and he's like, mate, I think we can come alongside and support you guys. And they supported us with a large amount of timber that's been donated.
Every skater likes a different height and a different angle on something, so it's hard to kind of get the happy medium to make everybody happy, you know. It's a lot of different angles, heights, shapes.
There have been so many people involved in this project right from start to finish. Huge kudos to South Park and the Sachs family who have donated this 800 square metre warehouse that we're sitting in today. None of this would have been possible if it wasn't for them. And furthermore, Skateboarding New Zealand and our skate park builder Bjorn with SwitchSteez, he's done just an immaculate job in here of creating this and bringing the vision to life.
Seeing it come together, yeah, the dream from the plan to what we're looking at now is something else. Hey, I'm Bjorn Pederson from SwitchSteez Skate Ramps. I am a builder and I've been in here helping create this park called the House of 12.
My name is Cam, I'm the chairman of the NewMarket Community Trust, and ultimately just a young dude who's helping make things happen here in Auckland City.